and welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to share a Christmas haul with you guys real quick. I have a few items from Walmart, Ikea, and Bath & Body Works for Christmas that I've been collecting over the past few weeks, so I just wanted to quickly share that with you guys. I will leave the prices for everything on the screen for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with Walmart. I got this really cute sign, and it on the back it actually has like a hanger, so you can hang it, and it also comes with a stake and a little spot if you want to maybe put it in the ground in front of your house or anywhere else. So I thought that was super cute. They also had one that said Christmas tree farm or something, and it was black, but I really liked the red one. And I also found this really cute stake, and you could easily just take this off and DIY some decor with it. So I thought this was super cute. And I found this really cute metal sign, and it has like painted rust marks on it, which is really, really cool. So I thought this looked super vintage and would look really cute in my kitchen. And my favorite find from Walmart was this little red truck. You guys, this thing is so cute, and I just love the little Labrador in the back with the Christmas trees and the detail on the front with the little wreath on the grill. And then it has some snow spots on it. So I thought that was a must. And so my Bath & Body Works haul, I just picked up a few candles that were on sale about a month ago, and I'll just quickly go over the notes on these. This one is white eucalyptus sage, and the notes are white eucalyptus, mineral sage, frozen pine with essential oils. I don't ever pay full price for Bath & Body Works candles, so I just wait for them to go on sale. And if you didn't know this, Bath & Body Works has an annual Candle Day sale every year on December 1st. So you can get these candles for super cheap. I think they're around like $8 a piece. So just keep that in mind if you're wanting to stock up on some of these. And this one is hot cocoa and cream. And the notes on this are decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, mini marshmallows with essential oils. This one smells just like hot chocolate, and I plan on putting this one in my kitchen by my coffee bar. And then this one I think is my favorite, and this is Frozen Lake. And the notes on this are lavender leaves, cool eucalyptus, juniper berries with essential oils. This one smells amazing. It almost has like this cologne smell to it. So it is pretty strong. So just keep that in mind. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys the Ikea stuff. I got this really cute wreath, and I think this is so versatile because you can decorate it for any season. And I've been looking for one of these, and Ikea, the price was just right. So I think I'm gonna like decorate it with some berries and some other greenery from maybe the Dollar Tree. So I got that. And I also got this LED candle set, and I know you can pick these up at the Dollar Tree, but I really liked how like the tops of these just look like they have been melted. So I went ahead and picked those up. And I also found this really cute lantern, and it's gonna fit a very tall candle in it, which I really love. And I think I'm gonna decorate the top of this with some greenery, maybe from the Dollar Tree, to make it look more Christmassy. And these aren't necessarily Christmas items. I've been wanting to do a gallery wall in my house with some pictures of my kids. And then I got these three. These are 8 by 10. And I actually got these to put my wedding pictures in. You guys, I've been married for like 5 years, and I have not printed a single wedding picture. So I got 3 of these to print out those pictures finally and put them above me and my husband's bed in our bedroom. And I really like the detail on the edge of this frame. And then I got 9 of these smaller 5x7 frames to do the gallery wall in my house. I've always wanted to do that, and I just love how thick these frames are to do that. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. I'm going to research how to properly do it, but if I will make a video for sure if you guys want to see that. And so yeah, that's it for this little haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And until my next video, I hope you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.